Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving into an exciting comparison of some industrial properties in Penang. If you're looking for a solid investment opportunity, this is the video for you. We will be looking at 4 industrial parks and factories, and I will break down their key features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get into it. Property comparison overview. Let's kick things off with an overview of the properties we are comparing today. Eco-Industrial Hub, a freehold semi-detached 1.5-story property with 3,000 square feet of built-up area, priced at 2.6 million ringgit. A Park Industry, a freehold 1.5-story semi-D property with 6,847 square feet of built-up space, priced at 4.1 million ringgit. Golden Gateway, a 2-story freehold industrial park with 5,565 square feet of built-up space and a selling price of 4.5 million ringgit. Samidi Factory at Taman Perindustrian Batu Kawan, a leasehold property, 1.5-story Samidi Factory with 6,939 square feet of built-up area, listed for 6.5 million ringgit. And the final one, 1.5-story Bungalow Factory by Aroma. It is a bungalow-style industrial property offering a unique layout but a higher price per square feet than A Park Industry. Part 2. Key Features Comparison. Now let us take a look at some of the key features of these properties. Land size. Eco-Industrial Hub, 6,997 square feet. A Park Industry, 10,919 square feet. Golden Gateway, 9,348 square feet. Samidi Factory, 13,779 square feet. And 1.5-story Bungalow Factory, 13,594 square feet. Floor loading. Eco-Industrial Hub, Golden Way, 1.5-story Bungalow Factory by Aroma, all have 1-ton floor loading capacity, except for A Park Industry having a 1.5-ton floor loading. All the other 4 factory projects has a ceiling height ranges from 18 feet to highest 28 feet, except A Park Industry command the highest ceiling height of 30 feet. Power supply. Most properties come with a 100 amp power supply, but A Park Industry is the exception, offering a 150 amp power supply, which could be a deciding factor for industries needing high power demand. Part 3. Price Comparison. Let's talk numbers. Price per square foot. Eco-Industrial Hub, 882 ringgit per square foot. A Park Industry, 599 ringgit per square foot. Golden Gateway, 808 ringgit per square foot. Samidi Factory, 936 ringgit per square foot. 1.5-story Bungalow Factory, 759 ringgit per square foot. Clearly from this table, we could see that A Park Industry offers the best value for space with the lowest price per square foot among the properties on the list. Part 4. Ratio of land to built-up area. This is a critical metric for potential investors as it gives insight into how much land you are getting compared to the built-up area. Eco-Industrial Hub, 43% ratio. A Park Industry, 62% ratio. Golden Gateway, 59% ratio. Samidi Factory, 50% ratio. And 1.5-story Bungalow Factory by Aroma, the ratio is 44%. From here, we could see that A Park Industry has the highest land-to-build ratio, which is 62%, meaning you get more land space relative to the built-up area. Golden Gateway comes close with 59%, but its price per square foot is significantly higher. Eco-Industrial Hub and Aroma Bungalow Factory have the lowest ratio, meaning less land compared to the built-up area. A Park Industry offers the best land efficiency, making it an excellent investment for future expansion or resale value. Part 5. Conclusion. Why A Park Industry stand out? So which one is the best for you? Let's break it down together. Eco-Industrial Hub, a budget-friendly choice with a reasonable land-to-build ratio of 43%. However, with a higher price per square foot of 882 ringgit and smaller land size, it may not be the best long-term investment. Golden Gateway, a 2-story layout, ideal for businesses that need vertical space. However, its price per square foot, 808 ringgit, is significantly higher than A Park Industry, and the total price is also on the higher end. Samedi Factory at Taman Perindustrian Batu Kawan offers the biggest land size of 13,779 square foot, but its leasehold and priced at 6.5 million ringgit, which is the highest among the options. 1.5-story bungalow factory by Aroma, a bungalow-style industrial factory which is unique in its layout. However, its land to build-up ratio, which is 44%, is lower than A Park Industry, and its price per square foot of 759 ringgit is still significantly higher. Why A Park Industry is the best choice? Among all the projects, A Park Industry clearly stands out as the best investment choice because, first, lowest price per square foot of only 599 ringgit. This means you get more space for your money, making it the most cost-efficient option. Second, it has largest land to build up ratio of up to 62%, which means investors get a more spacious industrial lot with room for future expansion or modification. Higher floor loading of up to 1.5 tons. This is an advantage for industries requiring heavy-duty equipment storage or manufacturing operation. Best selling height of up to 30 feet. Higher ceiling space enhances ventilation, support racking systems, and provide more functional space. Freehold tenure. Unlike some other options that are leasehold, A Park Industry is a freehold property, making it a better long-term investment with higher potential appreciation. Strong industrial demand in the area. With its strategic location and superior specification, this project is well positioned for growth and high rental yield. Final verdict. If you are looking for an industrial property with the best value, optimal pricing, and great future appreciation, A Park Industry is the clear winner here. It outperforms other projects in terms of land efficiency, investment potential, and functionality while remaining competitively priced. What do you think? Would you invest in A Park Industry? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more property investment insight. Bye!